Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up Mailchimp action automation for workflow apps. Once you're on your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on it. Click on Install, search for the account in which you want the app to be installed. Select your account, click on Continue. Click on Allow and Install. A custom menu link is going to pop up. You're going to copy your custom menu link, head over back to your account, click on Settings, scroll down and click on Custom Menu Link. Click on Create New, enter your icon, enter the link name. You're going to paste your URL, custom menu link, give access to the sidebar preference. You're going to select the account where you want all your tools to be available. You're going to select who you want to give access to. I'm going to take all. Click on Save. The next step is to switch to the account and click on your custom menu link, which is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials. We equally have the configuration walkthrough video that is going to help you on how to set up your app. Under the setup, we discovered that here our app haven't yet been connected, but no worries, we are going to walk you through on how to connect your app. First thing, you're going to head over to your account online, click on Profile, click on your profile picture, click on Profile, click on Extras, click on API key, scroll down and click on Create a key. You're going to enter the API key name and click on Generate key. Here we go. Your API key has been created. You're going to copy your API key, head over back to your account, click on Start Setup, paste your API key, and click on Complete Setup. As you can see, our app has been successfully connected. We equally have the support center. At the level of the support center, you can create a support ticket for our support team, or you can either book a call with our support team. We equally have the change log. At the level of the change log, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the update of your app. And in order to receive these notifications, you're going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email, and click on subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this tutorial helped you install and set up your app and set up your Mailchimp action automation for workflow app with ease. If you encounter any issue, our support team is available 24/7 to give you the necessary help that you need. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.